Looking to bring your city scenes to life with gritty, modular realism? The 3D Tudor Modular Urban Rooftop Pack is here to elevate your cityscapes, literally. Hey everyone, Luke here from 3D Tudor. Today, I'm excited to introduce you the 3D Tudor Modular Urban Rooftop Asset Pack, a flexible, stylized kit for designing believable city rooftops in your Blender scenes or game environments. With over 47 modular objects and 9 high-quality decals, this pack gives you everything you need to build realistic, layered rooftops and environments. From air conditioning units and vents to ladders, pipes and solar panels, you are in full control. Whether you're making cinematic skyline shots, game-ready environments, or cyberpunk alleyways, this pack delivers that urban rooftop detail your scenes are missing. The standard version of the pack includes a Blender asset library with 47 modular pieces and 4 pre-made rooftop compositions, a fully assembled Unreal Engine 5 project with materials and lighting already configured, GLB and FBX files plus high-resolution PBR textures of 2048 resolution for maximum flexibility in your workflow. But if you want to take things further, the deluxe version also includes a polished Blender lighting setup with rendered presets, a 3D Tudor Compositor BlendCraft add-on, making post-processing a breeze. Using it, you can get full control over bloom, glare, and color grading right inside Blender. This pack was created by Bearworks 3D as part of our Starving Artist campaign, a 3D Tudor initiative designed to empower independent creators by giving them a platform to shine. We handle the marketing and storefronts so artists like Bearworks 3D can focus on what they do best, creating beautifully stylized content. You might recognize Bearworks from his Japanese Lantern Pack, a community favorite known for its charm and hand-painted glow. With this rooftop pack, he brings the same love for detail and atmosphere, just in a more urban direction. When you buy this pack, you're directly supporting the artist. 50% of every sale goes to them. It's more than an asset pack, it's a vote for creative independence. And as always, if you end up using this pack in your project, we'd love to see it. Join the 3D Tudor Discord where over 1,000 artists and developers share their work, trade feedback and help each other grow. We even host giveaways for asset packs and geometry node setups, so don't miss out. Bearworks, Neil and our entire creative team are active in the server and we'd love to have you there. Thanks for supporting Bearworks and our Starving Artist campaign. Until next time, happy modeling everyone!